Now, this is what market is currently at on our Swiss franc JPY. Now the market is currently at this support level. Guess what market will be doing, right? You should expect market to push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day, what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now, why are we going to be expecting that bullish move is what we are going to be doing right now. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. So this is the 4-hour time frame right here. It's on Swiss franc JPY. We are in a ranging market move. Market once rallied to come to tap our resistance and then a drop was made support. Market then rallied again to tap our resistance. Guess what market did? It's a drop to tap this level. Now market eventually pushed up again to tap our resistance, right? Now this is a drop that market was made that came to tap the support. Now that with such a movement, market pushed up, right? And now it has come out to retest our support. So now the market has retested the support. We should expect market to reject and push up back to tap the resistance. So we should expect market to head straight to a level of 202. So with such a movement, we should be targeting about 110 pips. So we should be targeting about 110 pips bullish move. So between Wednesday and Thursday, 110 pips is what we should be targeting. Because if you take a look at what Swiss franc JPY will like, our next potential movement on Swiss franc JPY is a bullish move. That is exactly what we should be expecting next on Swiss franc JPY. Now, guys, let's zoom it in. Also, you can see that we've gotten a rejection here and we've gotten another rejection here. So with such a rejection, we should expect market to push up to go to this 202 level, right? So such a movement, we should be expecting about 112 pips. That is what we should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on your